How to switch between accounts on Spotify. If you use more than one Spotify account, switching between them on the mobile app is quick and easy. First, open the Spotify app on your device. Tap your profile picture or the gear icon in the top left corner, then tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Log Out at the very bottom of the menu. Once you're logged out, you'll be taken back to the login screen where you can either enter the credentials for a different account or choose to log in with Facebook, Google, Apple, or another method linked to your other profile. After signing in, your playlists, like songs, and settings for that account will load instantly. Keep in mind Spotify doesn't currently support quick account switching, so you'll need to repeat this process each time you want to change accounts. Still, it only takes a few taps and makes it easy to manage multiple profiles from the same device. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.